Good morning, y'all. I went to the Lake of the Ozarks and insisted on getting to go thrifting. It was so much fun. And the first place we went was called Hope House. I loved it. It was amazing. They had the absolute cutest things. I wasn't able to buy them all because, well, even if I wanted to, because we didn't have any room to get them back home. I didn't think we were going to get there on time. It was prime, I thought, prime thrifting time, but all the stores closed at like 11? Maybe it was 2. I think everything closed about 2. And I had 20 minutes to get to this one, and I was still able to get in there and find some really cute things. They had a hutch. It was only $75 for this hutch, and it was cute. It was this little, perfectly little, cute hutch, and I'm like, oh, I want that so badly. I didn't get it. One, it was kind of stormy. I don't know how we would have kept it nice and not wet, and then getting it home would have been a bear. And 2, I don't need another hutch. There were a whole wall of paintings and pictures, and I did find this really, I just loved it. It was a set of 2. They were only $5 a piece. And it's a nautical theme, but I actually separated the pair. I know people may be screaming at me, but I really liked this one more than the other one. And here, this is what I ended up getting. I think it's so pretty. I'm gonna put this one in my bedroom. For $4 at this thrift store, I found this beautiful, I just love it, this beautiful lampshade. And it looks so pretty in my room. What I discovered is the lamp that I have in my room doesn't have the little U-shaped thing coming up that holds the lampshade. So I'm gonna have to go and find myself one of those. Well, there was a set of 2 pillows. They were navy blue, and they had the little white piping on the outside. Oh my goodness, it was so cute. There were some just adorable things. If you're really into nautical, they had nautical things galore there. There was the cutest puffy navy blue vest with white anchors all over it. I didn't get it. I don't think we need another vest, and besides, it wasn't quite the right size, so I didn't get that. The second place that I went to, well, I thought it was a thrift store. Turns out it was actually like a clothing consignment type place. If you were in the market for clothing, that would be a great place to go. I went in, I didn't see anything I needed, and so I took off. The third place that we went had lots and lots and lots of stuff. I was first greeted by this cute, adorable cat who was just hanging out on the couch there.
Yeah, a certain need. I have 20,000 stores. This is only 4,000.
Oh, wow.
Pretty hard over.
I found these paintings. I thought they were really pretty. I thought they looked like backs of playing cards. I liked them a lot. Again, I didn't end up getting that.
Guarantee it'll be different every time you stop by.
Cool.
This is different every day. Constant in and out. Something goes out, I bring something else in. We're bringing this stick top in right now over here.
Wow.
Yeah, the top high stick top.
And bonus footage, here is us in Warrensburg, Missouri. We found the Salvation Army thrift store there. I didn't see anything I wanted, but my sister Carrie found a sweatshirt that has Warrensburg Scottish Festival, and it's just it was perfect. Well, that's cute. Highlands in the Berg. And so I ended up getting that. I liked it a lot. It was only $3.75. You can't beat a $3.75 sweatshirt. And soon the weather's gonna cool off enough for me to want to wear a sweatshirt, a hoodie. I mean, in the house, I'm always wearing hoodies, but I really like it when I can go outside in my hoodies. It's still pushing 90 degrees. It's here. It's still a little warm for a sweatshirt. My favorite, well, right there. I love it when it's time for pumpkins and leaves and really cool temperatures outside, like crisp, cool 60 something degrees, 65, 64. Nice little warm breeze and sitting outside in front of bonfires. That's my kind of weather. So I can't wait till I can wear my new Scottish sweatshirt outside. I got a sweatshirt for $3.
Okay.
Heard you want to leave this place, but we grew up this old time. Just put it all behind.
And those are the three things that I found while I was out and about thrifting in the Ozarks and the bonus Warrensburg. Guys, that's all I have for today. Thank you so much for watching, and if you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe, and if you liked what you've seen, hit that like button. It helps me out a lot, and I'll see you in the next one, guys. Bye.